Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a weekend video and I ran across something super interesting and I'll play a little bit of this video. I saw this. Okay, so I didn't fully watch the battery.
Why are we
Uh-oh.
doing this?
Why are we doing what? Using my Old Spice moisturize with
Yeah, I messed up here. uh, oh no. Okay. I think it's around here. I messed up. I pressed a button on my keyboard, which kind of messed me up a little bit. But I'll play this video and then I'll talk more about it. I think it's around here.
And how you code it.
If you use simple silicon, it's dramatically less than even the silicon that is currently used in the batteries that are made today. And you can use a lot more of it.
Yeah, with this silicon, and the anode costs $1.20 a kilowatt hour. By leveraging this silicon to its potential, we can increase the range of our vehicles by an additional 20%, just this improvement.
Yeah, it gets cheaper and longer range.
And when we take that anode cost reduction, we're looking at another 5% dollar per kilowatt hour reduction at the battery pack level.
In order to scale, we really need to make sure that we're not constrained by total nickel availability. I actually spoke with the CEOs of the biggest mining companies in the world and said, please make more nickel. It's very important. And so I think they are going to make more nickel. I think we need to have a kind of a three-tiered approach to
Biggest nickel mining CEO in the world. So he's spoken to all of them. So this article is not a lie. So Reuters is basically a company that goes around with their reporters and they get information. And they posted an article and they put the word exclusive on it. Exclusive. Tesla in talks to buy low carbon nickel from Canada. Source. The with Canadian mine Giga Metals about to help to develop a large mine and in an environmentally sensitive way. So, is this a lie? I don't think so, because if we look at the media bias fact checks, Reuters get very high when it comes to reporting, least bias, so they are rated very good on the reporting. So I don't think it's a lie. That's my opinion. And then so Equity Guru, these guys, they came out with an article saying that, you know, they set up this run so insiders can sell off. You know, they were basically saying that Reuters journalist Pramara Desai lied, but they did. Because if you scroll all the way to the bottom, oh, there's comments. So if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, the person says, the Reuters spokesman tells me, we have not seen any facts that contradict our story. We stand by our reporter and our reporting. So is it a lie? I don't know. There's comments down below, which I will have to read after this video is over. So, you know, see what people have to say, because I'm invested in this company and I want to get all of the facts right. Anyway, so Giga Metal stock looks like a pump and dump to me. It seriously looks like a pump and dump. So like, at the end of the day, I don't know what the stock price is gonna do. I don't. And you guys all know that, you know, because I made a video before this. So you know that billionaire is invested in this company. I don't understand how the billionaire can invest into this company and not pop up the stock price. Like, I have no idea. If the billionaire is investing in this company and he's thinking long term, he's creating a hugely tight float. So This float should be extremely tight. I mean, it's already a pretty tight float of only 69 million shares, which is not a lot of outstanding shares. The float is actually 43.67 million. So it's a really tight float. The volume is really good, but it looks like a pump and dump. Got pumped on that news, and then that article came out, and it got dumped. And I bought into the dump. Will it continue to go down? I don't know. There's 2 more trading days. So there's Thursday and Friday. But the thing is, before the pump, the stock was already trading between 70 cents to 60 cents. So 54 cents maybe? If it goes down to 30 cents, I think that's a really good buying opportunity. Of course, it can go down to 20 cents or even lower, maybe even 17 cents. That's a possibility. So we'll see what happens, but the market is, I don't get it. Like, maybe it's a pump and dump. I have no idea. We'll see what happens. I think shorts are in short. I think short sellers are trying to short the stock down further. So because of the high volume trading, short sellers can short this stock. But they have one of the biggest mines in the world. And then there was this whole article regarding Elon Musk talking about being in talk with Giga Metals, and then Elon Musk just said that he talked with all of the CEOs of the largest nickel mining companies in the world. So, and Giga has one of the largest nickel mines in the world, and the fact that the name is Giga Metals and Tesla's Giga Factory, it just makes sense that they would invest, that Elon Musk is in talks with Giga Metals. I'm just my opinion. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's something fundamentally wrong with this company, or maybe it's just a pump and dump. I don't know at the end of the day, but the lower it goes, the better. The higher return on investment. Like, for example, if you were to buy it at 30 cents and suddenly it gets pumped to $2 again, that's like 150, that's like 500% return on investment. That's huge. But, we'll see what happens. I think that one day it'll get pumped again. Could be totally wrong, and this could be a dead stock for years and years and years and just never move anywhere. That's also a possibility, so we'll see what happens. Let's look at the financial statements. The company right now, this is high tide. Close this. So Giga Metals has $1 million of receivable plus $105,000 of cash, and they just recently raised an additional $3 million on that pump because a bunch of insiders executed options and warrants, which gave the company an additional $3 million more of cash. So they have, more cash now, and their liabilities are extremely low. They only have $742,000 of liabilities. And right now, they are spending roughly $327,000 on expenses per quarter. So, in theory, they're not spending that much money, and they should be able to survive for another 3 years on that $3 million of cash they raise, because they have no liabilities, or very, very little liabilities. And they just raised an additional $3 million of cash, giving them $4 million of cash. So the company's not going to go bankrupt. And they have an extremely tight float. That's all I really have. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates. And I hope everyone... I only got last another 6 seconds. So, yeah. I really have not too much to say, but the lower this goes, the higher return on investment it becomes. I'm bag holding, and but I wasn't super greedy when the stock price was up here. I was more greedy when the stock price was plummeting. So I caught a falling knife, and it hurts. But I think eventually my money will recover. At least I hope. I could be bag holding for a long time. And that sucks, but that's my reality. But hopefully one day I make a lot of money off this company. Hopefully. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.